Mathematics is not only for solving numbers, but it's also for dividing sorrows, subtracting sadness, adding happiness, and multiplying love and forgiveness. Good morning, everyone. I, Sanvi Malik of Class 6A from Mount Carmel School, welcomes you to the virtual mathematical exhibition Maths Pirates. Let's dive into the creative work of classes 6 and 7.
Let's start with the blessings of the Lord. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. Proverbs 16 verses 3.
Let's learn about parts of circle. The point in the middle of the circle is called center. The distance from the center to any point of the circle is called radius. The line segment passing through the center, joining any 2 points of the circle, is called diameter. Part of a circle is called arc. The line segment connecting any 2 points of the circle is called chord. The region in the interior of the circle between an arc and a pair of radii is called sector. The region enclosed by chord and then arc is called segment. The distance around the circle is called circumference.
Good morning, everyone. I am Akshita Patil of class 7D. Sector, the area enclosed by 2 radii and an arc. Segment, region bounded by a chord and an arc of the circle.
The different types of angles are right angle, acute angle, straight angle, obtuse angle, complete angle, and reflex angle. Let's learn more about it. Right angle. An angle that measures 90 degrees is called right angle. Acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. The measure of a straight angle is 180 degrees. An angle lies between 90 degree and 180 degree is called obtuse angle. An angle that measures more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle.
0 degree, 90 degree, 360 degree, a complete circle.
Acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle.
Let's take 115 degrees. As you can see, it comes between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. And an angle which is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle.
Right angle. Right angle measures exactly of 90 degrees. Straight angle. Straight angle also measures exactly of 180 degrees.
Equivalent fractions are those fractions that have different numerators and denominators but are equal to the same values. Example 1 by 2 and 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 6 by 12, etc. To get equivalent fractions of a fraction, multiply or divide both the numerators and denominators by the same number. Hence, we can say 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8 and 4 by 8 is equal to 8 by 16 and so on. Thank you and have a nice day.
Morning everyone. I am Vinam Kapoor from Mount Carmel School, Chandigarh. Today I have made this fraction foldable table. 1 means whole. 1 upon 2 means half of whole. Whole divided into 3 equal parts is equals to 1 upon 3. Whole divided into 4 equal parts, 1 upon 4. Whole divided in 5 equal parts, 1 upon 5. Whole divided into 6 equal parts, 1 upon 6. Whole divided into 7 parts, 1 upon 7. Whole divided into 8 parts, 1 upon 8. Whole divided into 9 parts, 1 upon 9. So on. Whole divided whole divided in 10, 1 upon 10. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Romania and I am from class 7B. Today I am going to discuss the topic fractions. So I have 3 equal sheets of paper. On sheet 1, I have divided this into half. When I open it, I have 2 equal parts. I have colored one part in pink and given the fraction of 1 by 2. Now on sheet 2, I have divided this into 4 equal parts. When I open it, I have colored 2 out of 4 and given the fraction of 1 by 4. And if we add them, we have the fraction of 2 by 4. Now on the third sheet, I have divided this into 8 equal parts. I have colored 4 out of 8 and given the fraction of 1 by 8 to each part. And when I add all the parts, I have the fraction of 4 by 8. Now let's check them once again. You can see that all of them do not have equal columns, but when we see the shaded areas of all of them, they are equal. So these are known as equivalent fractions. So 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions. Thank you.
Square numbers, when a number multiplies itself, is called square number. For example, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16. 4, 9, 16 are called square numbers.
My name is Ilhajan and I am student of class 7C. Today I have made math square machine. It will tell you math square. Like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Thank you.
2D shapes and 3D shapes. 2D shapes. Shapes which can be drawn on paper. For example, circle, square, rectangle are called 2D shapes. The figures that have length, breadth and height or depth are called 3-dimensional shapes or 3D shapes. For example, cuboid, cube, sphere, pyramid, etc.
Square, 4 sides, 4 corners. Octagon, 8 sides, 8 corners. Hexagon, 6 sides, 6 corners.
2D form of solid shape is called nets.
Integers, all whole number including negative natural numbers are called integer. For example, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on.
Hello, my name is Suprijana. I am studying in Standard 6 Section M. I have made a mathematical model to test which 3D shape has the highest and lowest volume. As the cuboid, triangular prism, cube, pentagonal prism, cylinder. So now let's test which 3D shape has the highest volume and the lowest. So the cuboid contains the lowest volume and the cylinder contains the highest volume.
May not teach us how to add love or subtract hate, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Good morning everyone. On behalf of Mount Carmel School Chandigarh, I Sneha of class 10C welcome you all to this Maths virtual exhibition, Maths Pirates. Mathematics exhibition plays an important role in motivating students to learn mathematics with interest and involvement. It creates among students an idea of the practical utility of mathematics, in addition to creating their interest in mathematics. This exhibition displays models based on various mathematical topics such as algebraic identities, vertically opposite angles, etc. Hope you will appreciate the efforts of the students.
Model on algebraic identities. Model on cube and cube roots. Model on vertically opposite angles. Model on 2D shapes forming 3D shapes. Model to verify Pythagoras theorem. Model on cyclic quadrilateral. Model on measuring device. Model on 3D shapes. Model on linear pair of angles. Model on surface area and volumes. Model on number system. Model on square and square roots. Model showing relation between the volume of cone and cylinder. 10-gram activity done by class 8. Mandala art activity done by classes 9 and 10.